Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G for AT&T. So the Galaxy A54 5G is now here at AT&T for $10 a month for 36 months, or $449.99 for retail price for the phone. So that is $50 cheaper than what Verizon is selling the Galaxy A54 for $500 at Verizon. AT&T is selling that for $450 at their carrier, so it's $50 cheaper than Verizon version. So you guys have a little bit of choice there in terms of like pricing and stuff like that. So here it is, the phone right here, Galaxy A54. Very nice looking phone. Y'all guys could get your power button and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Earpiece above that, and your whole punch with front facing camera beneath that. Nice looking wallpaper there, very nice. Yeah, there's the phone right there in its entirety. There's the phone in its entirety on the front there. The back of the phone is your triple camera flash Samsung logo. It is wide angle, ultra wide, and macro camera lenses in that order on the rear. So it's very cool. There's the back of it again. The left side has nothing. So your micro SD card and SIM card slot is either on top or bottom of the phone. And there's the back of it again. 3 cameras, wide angle, ultra wide, macro camera lenses there on the back in that order. The left side has nothing. You do have a bit of a camera bump, so keep that in mind. The right side has power button and volume keys. Left side has nothing. There's the right side, front and back, and there's the front of it again. Alright, so the color option is an awesome graphite color, so very nice looking phone and whatnot. So it is 128 gigabytes of storage, so keep that in mind. So you guys can pay it monthly for $10 a month for 36 months, or for retail price of $449.99. So that is $50 cheaper than what Verizon is selling this phone for. So that's pretty cool. Whether you are capturing videos while out with friends or reading online, Galaxy A54 5G helps you experience the most in life, complete with a refined design, 5G performance, and pretty great camera. Our best Galaxy A series phone makes enjoying your favorite movies and taking incredible pictures a breeze. Jump in and out of activities with a phone that is water and dust resistant, and confidently go throughout your day knowing your data is secured by Samsung Knox. So that is very nice there. Videos and images there. So y'all gotta see more photos of the phone here. So there's the back of the phone there. Like I said, triple cameras. The left side has nothing. The right side has your power button and your volume keys. That's the left side. Right side and front and back again there. Alright. Specs. The Galaxy A54 5G has AT&T 5G, of course. Fast, reliable, secure, powerful battery that lasts all day, powerful performance and impressive speed, expandable storage for your whole family. Dimensions on the Galaxy A54: 6.23 inches in height, 3.2 inches in width, and 0.32 inches depth. The Galaxy A54 weighs 7.12 ounces, so a bit hefty, so keep that in mind. Display 6.4 inches full HD plus, that is 1080 by 2340 pixel resolution, 16 main colors. Camera and video, like I mentioned, y'all guys get 3 cameras on the rear, 50 megapixel wide angle camera, that is your main camera, which has an f1.8 aperture along with autofocus, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.2 aperture, then a 5 megapixel macro camera lens on the rear with the f2.4 aperture. Video capture 4K at 30 frames, video playback 4K at 30 frames, Front-facing camera is a 32 megapixel front-facing camera with an f2.2 aperture. Other shooting options include Fun, Portrait, Bixby Vision, AR Zone, Pro, Single Take, Night, Food, Panorama, Macro, Super, Slow Motion, Hyperlapse. Battery, 5,000 mAh battery, non-removable, of course, that's pretty much standard now. 46 hours of talk time, 16.9 days of standby time. Audio playback via speaker is 23 hours. Audio playback via headset is 68 hours. Time to charge to 50% is about 30 minutes, so that's pretty fucking fast. Time to charge to 100% is about 90 minutes, so an hour and a half your phone will be completely charged, so that's very good. The chipset is an Exynos 1380. The chipset is an Exynos 1380 octa-core processor, so pretty nice. Internal storage, 128 gigabytes of storage, expandable storage via micro SD up to 1 terabyte, 6 gigabytes of RAM. It has Android 13 with One UI 5.1. Wireless technology. It does have AT&T 5G, obviously. It has 4G LTE, of course. It does have GSM and all that good stuff at Edge and all. It is a VoLTE phone, which is quad band, HD voice compatible, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call. Wi-Fi connectivity for the Galaxy A54 is 802.11, ABGN, AC, AX, dual band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, wireless emergency alerts. It takes a nano SIM card, which is pretty much standard now. Your sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, fingerprint, which is an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, which is very cool. Geomagnetic gyroscope and proximity sensors on the phone. Messaging, email, there y'all guys got different messaging, all things there. Music, y'all guys have YouTube Music on board as your music player. Accessibility, sustainability there. Product codes and whatnot. What comes with the device is a quick start guide, Type C to Type C charging cable. I'm pretty sure that it is Type C to Type C. And your SIM ejection tool, you guys will have to provide your own charger. If you guys don't have one, you guys will need a Type C charging port. You guys will need a Type C charging brick, so keep that in mind. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A54 is now here at AT&T for $10 a month for 36 months, or $449.99 for retail price for the phone. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range Samsung 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A54 is worth taking a look at here. It does have great specs, great features. It looks very nice as well. It looks like any other Galaxy A series phone, obviously, because this is a Galaxy A series device, so it will look like other Galaxy A series phones. So it looks very nice, great specs and features and whatnot. So not bad for $450. It is $50 cheaper than what Verizon is selling the Galaxy A54 for. So yeah, you do have choices there in terms of like pricing and stuff like that. So if you guys want to save a bit of money on the phone, AT&T has you got. If you guys want to save a bit of money, AT&T has you covered with that. With the Galaxy A54 being $449.99 for retail price out there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.